Hello everyone, this is Micah with Food Travelers, and in this episode we share our experience staying at the Holiday Inn Taoyuan Airport. This hotel is in the Taoyuan city and it is about a 10-minute ride from the airport by taxi or by Uber. There is hotel shuttle with limited time slots and it is required to be reserved ahead of time. Since this was a layover flight, I was looking for something close by the airport for my flight the next day. This hotel is located across the street from the Sheraton Taoyuan Hotel, and there is a night market on the same street as this hotel, the Jingdao Hao Night Market. I stayed at the Two Kings Standard City View, and this room does sleep up to 4 occupants, and it is a non-smoking room. It is 36 square meters with walk-in shower and a mini fridge, and this hotel also has a decent sized breakfast buffet. As you enter the room, there is an open closet space with hangers, slippers, bathrobe, and a couple of soft close drawers. A seating bench is to the side of it. Beneath the seating bench is a small safe deposit box. It's interesting how it's not hidden like other hotels that I've stayed at in the past. And to the side of the seating bench is another cabinet space with some counter space for miscellaneous items, a wall plug, and some pricing for basic items and complimentary water. As of January 2025, Taiwan has a new eco-friendly regulation making single-use disposable amenities items such as toothbrush, razor, comb, shower cap, soap to be paid items and are no longer provided as free items from the hotels. In the past, these items have always been available and free of charge. Fortunately, water bottle is still complimentary as the tap water is not safe for consumption. To the other side of the TV is a table, wall plug with a USB-C outlets, and by the window is a lounge-style sofa. It's pretty comfy to sit on and rest and enjoy the outdoor view when it is clear outside. On a day when I arrived, it was heavy winds and rain. It felt like a typhoon was going on and was pretty noisy out there. And as you see, the outdoor is really wet, and throughout my time there, it did eventually clear up. And in between both king beds are more wall outlets with USB-C, room light switches, a phone, TV remote, and Kleenex box. And beneath that is a flashlight. And alongside the headboard of the beds are the ambient lights, which can be pretty useful, especially at the nighttime. The room is very spacious with both pillows being firm, perfect for my preference. The thermostat lights up and is very easy to read, responds very quickly to the press of the button. And to the wall by the bathroom is a full-size mirror, perfect for your daily fit checks. As you enter the bathroom, there is a lip with a step-up area with a bright yellow sign that says to watch your step. I almost tripped over it initially when I walked in. Definitely not ADA friendly. I'm not sure why they make this design rather than like a ramp or something else. And in the shower, you do have all your basic amenities with a bath gel, shampoo, and conditioner. And to the other side is a full-size bathtub. The toilet is behind a door and it's an electronic one. There is both English and Chinese on the controller for the function use. And as you see in the view here now, the weather did clear up and you can see the ocean, which is pretty nice. Overall, I really did enjoy this hotel. It was very quiet, very easy to get to, very comfortable and very spacious. Definitely would stay here again.
If you've enjoyed the content you've seen, don't forget to support the channel and hit like and subscribe. And if you want to see additional pictures of food and our travels, go over to our Instagram page and follow us there. And thanks for watching.